All right, these are the girls from Babe's litter of F1B medium golden doodles. As you can see, there's a lot more girls than boys. I got a whole pile of them here. So this little girl is girl brown. Hey, sweetie. This is girl orange. Hey, girl orange. She'll have more curly hair. Brown will be more wavy. Green will be wavy. Girl pink here will be a little more on the curly side. Girl white is going to be a little more wavy. Girl lavender is going to be slightly wavy, sort of actually half and half, I would say. Slightly curly. This is girl purple, not to be confused with girl lavender. She's going to be the darkest one of the bunch and she'll be curly. Girl green is going to be more wavy, pretty small. And this is girl navy, and she is probably the smallest of the litter, and she is also the lightest colored. What's going on, girl orange? What's going on? Goofy girl.